Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming account details and service activation. Log into your Optus account if needed. Next, place the modem close to the NBN or phone entry so cables reach comfortably. Plug the power adapter into the modem and a wall outlet, then switch it on. You should see power LEDs light within a minute. If lights remain off, check the outlet or try the other included adapter. Once the modem has power, move to connecting the internet feed. Now connect the internet feed. Plug the NBN/DSL cable or Optus-supplied lead into the modem's WAN port. If the modem includes a removable microfilter or splitter for copper lines, make sure it's in place correctly. For initial setup, use the Ethernet cable from a modem LAN port to your laptop. This avoids Wi-Fi confusion while you configure. Watch the WAN and internet LEDs. They'll blink during sync and turn solid when the line is established. So be patient while the modem negotiates with the network. Complete configuration through the modem web portal or the Optus app. Set a unique Wi-Fi name and a secure admin password. After saving settings, reboot the modem to apply changes, then reconnect your devices to the newly named network. If you don't get internet, plug a laptop directly by Ethernet to verify the WAN. If still offline, power cycle the NBN box and modem in sequence. Turn NBN off, wait 30 seconds, power it on. Then modem. If problems persist, contact Optus support with your modem serial and LED behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.